Trimming the edges should be a satisfying task, but without the right tool, it can simply feel like a chore. Baumr-AG's new line trimmer and range of cordless gardening tools, all powered by the 20-volt lithium sync battery, has everything you need. Starting couldn't be simpler, and it offers you a heap of adjustability, allowing you to work efficiently with this powerful tool. The aluminium shaft has quick adjust telescopic sliding to suit your height, and the handle can just as easily be shifted. The LT3 is actually two tools rolled into one, as this whippersnipper transforms into a lawn edger thanks to the swivel head and guide wheel. At an incredible 2 kilograms, it is extremely easy to handle, and with minimal noise, no pouring of fuel, and no fumes, you'll craft clean edges in total comfort. So what are you waiting for? Enjoy the convenience of premium, rechargeable, cordless technology. Buy smart. Buy a Baumr.